please give these a shuffle? And meanwhile, I'm gonna write a prediction. This is called an open prediction because you can also see. Queen of Hearts, there we go. I believe that you're going to stop on the Queen of Hearts. You shuffled?
Yes.
Perfect. Now, whenever you're ready, deal down cards one by one. You can deal them face up as well. Yep, so we can see them. Perfect. And whenever you stop, that being the card that you want to stop on,
okay.
Whenever you get a feeling, you can stop. Don't let me influence you in any way.
Now.
You want to stop here?
Yes.
This is the last chance.
Yes.
You want to keep going or you want to stop here?
I want to stop.
Okay, so we're going to place this card to the side so there's no way I can touch it or you can see it. And meanwhile, let's see the rest of the cards. So there was no Queen of Hearts until now, right?
No.
No, okay, let's see. We got to build a bit of suspense, as you can see.
It's getting exciting.
Queen of Diamonds. There we go. Remember, you could have stopped at any one. There we go. Yes.
Okay.
Almost there. Maybe it's the last one. Who knows? I'm getting nervous now.
Okay.
Yeah. I like that you're dealing the cards even slower, so
yeah,
there's even more suspense.
There's just two left now.
Let's see. And we even have like two queens at the end. Okay, so there is no Queen of Hearts.
No.
Which means only one single thing. That there can only be one card here, which is Queen of Hearts.